So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me, is there much difference between actual tennis, let's say ball, and an actual paddle ball? So I think there's a little bit of a difference, and I'm going to tell you right off the bat in less than 1 minute. So my humble opinion is that paddle balls tend to be a little bit bigger. I don't know if you can appreciate it. And also the sense when you play tennis is that they are made for shorter distances. So I know the specifics, you can just read them online. So I'm going to tell you from my humble opinion, the tennis balls are just tend to be a little bit smaller, and once you touch them, especially if you want to go back to back, they are very easy to go, so they come in handy, especially if they are new. As you can see, both of them, I've used them plenty before actually giving my humble opinion, and I just think that the paddle ball is better for short distances, so for a paddle court. Meanwhile, the tennis balls, they are, like, say, like with more pressure, meaning that you can actually do longer distances, especially if you're doing back to back on actual tennis court. You're just having a day out and you just want to chill. I think that they are both made to be done paddle for paddle tennis and tennis for tennis court. Now, if I had to use one, I would use tennis balls in the paddle court, not the other way around. That's my humble opinion.